Welcome to another quick tip video from the HTML5 dev channel. In this video, I'm going to show how to send a message from a React app to a Slack channel. To begin, we have to go to this website first, api.slack.com, and it's pretty simple. I'll just do a Google search on Slack API, and here it is. Click on it. I'm here, and I actually currently logged in to my Slack channel. And next, I click here, your app, and I've already created my app here, which is this. It's very simple to do, so I'm going to go there. Where I will go is here, incoming webhook. Under this application, Slack, I will now create a incoming webhook, and initially I have to turn this one on to activate my webhook. Then come here and click add new. Just gonna go ahead and from my own Slack account, it's gonna go ahead and find a whole bunch of channels. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up general, allow, and there we go. So now that we have our webhook, what we're gonna have to do, use this in a React app. So let's go there. All right, so right here I have a very simple form, only with 2 input elements, and this is a React app. And let's go in the backend to see how it's built. It is basically, I'm just using React Bootstrap and bringing in this elements from there, the column, button, form, etc., and using useState from React to create these 2 variables, name and message. And I declare a submit function, send Slack message, and I'm doing a prevent default because it is actually coming from, it's a submit action so that it doesn't refresh the hook page. And then I have a simple console logging going on, and this is what the form inputs look like. Under the form control, it has, this is pretty much a simple input form. It's just, this is an item from the React Bootstrap, and that's why they look a bit different, but basically it has like an on change, and it's going to set the name, and this is the other one has the on change, and it's going to set the message variable. And then there's a submit button in here, so that's what it is. So I'm going to go ahead and test it out a little bit. Okay, BBB, and if I hit submit, you can see name and message coming up just fine. So now what we're going to do, the next step would be going ahead and enhance this send Slack message function. Instead of just doing a console logging, it's going to do a little bit more. So let's bring in another code snippet. And you probably noticed here we have Axios already installed and imported. So now here comes the new snippet. I'm going to save this. And now this is where I'm declaring a constant called URL, and this is where my Slack webhook URL will go. This is a data variable where it has only one item, which is text, and a text in here displaying the name and the message, and these variables are coming from right there. And in here I am passing this webhook URL in here, and then the data variable will be stringified and passed along with it. And then we're going to go ahead and send the data like this, right? So now to finish it off, let's go back. Okay, so from here we're going to go ahead and copy this webhook URL and go back to our application. And in here we're going to replace this text with our URL. There you go, and save it. So now our simple form is ready to send messages. Let's just send boost message, and I'm gonna hit submit. And here in my Slack general channel, as we can see, I have just received the message we just sent. Now I'm gonna just push it a little bit further and make the reformat the messages so that they look like nice little format in there. So to do that, I'm gonna have to go here and go to block kit and add templates, and I'll choose one of the templates, and then from here I just copied and a bunch of things and brought it back to my application. So in here I'm going to go ahead and disable this data structure, disable this data constant, and instead I'm going to add this guy. So pretty much, some of the stuff I got rid of, and pretty much it's the template information I just brought back in and pasted and replaced this data constant with this data constant. And this is where, the name variable and message variable will go. And the buttons don't really do anything, but they're just there for show for now. And I'm going to go ahead and save this and then go back and try to send another message or message with formatting, right? And let me hit the submit button, and you probably heard that sound. That means we just received our message. So let's go back, and right here, look at this. This is the brand new message we just sent. The new name and new message came with formatting. These buttons really don't do anything, but they sure look nice. And that, my friends, is the end of this video. If you like it, please smash the like button and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please smash the like button and the subscribe button. This will help me bring more free contents like this to you every week. Thanks again.